Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our lesson today is absolute value. Our objective is how I can interpret absolute value in mathematics and real world situation.
Thank you, Ryan. Our lesson today, my dear students, it is absolute value. Absolute value mean anything. Anything. You can create anything. Okay. Let me start over. Thank you. You see this two lines here? This two lines here, it is a machine. And this machine called absolute value. So teacher, we read these two lines or vertical lines here, this line and this line beside each other, absolute value, yes, and I consider it, or I call it, machine. What is the mission of this machine? Okay, the negative number be positive number, and the positive number still positive number. Okay, teacher, I don't understand. Let me explain to you. See, if I have the absolute value of -4 equal 4, just like that, yes, good. The absolute value, another example, the absolute value of -3, it will be 3, good. The absolute value of -2.5 is 2.5, good. So that means all the negative number be positive number, yes, because this the absolute value, those two lines. Okay, now what's about if I have, let me do it here down. Okay, what's about the 4 here, the absolute value of 4, this absolute value of 4, it is equal 4. We change nothing, teacher? Yes, you don't change anything, you keep it positive. Okay, good, it is easy. So the positive number, stay positive number, and the negative number stay or change to positive number, and this is easy. Okay, good. Now let us come here for this. Find each absolute value. Find each absolute value. The -9 equal 9, good. 5 and 3 over 4, you keep it, you don't change the sign, be careful. Now the absolute value, see how I read it, the absolute value, then say the number. The absolute value of -5.5, it will be what? He asks you what is the answer, you tell him the answer is 5.5. Good. We done? We done. So what we conclude? We conclude this. Any number coming here, it will be positive. Even it is negative or positive. Still positive. Okay, now let us work here. Now before you write the compare sign, greater or less or equal, we have to write the value of the absolute value of this and this. Ryan, can you solve this? The absolute value of
Yes. The minus 19, it will be 19.
Good.
And minus 11, it will be 11.
Yes.
And the bigger is 19.
So we draw 19 greater than. Now, what's about this, Ryan?
The minus 2 and 1 over 2, it will be 2 and 1 over 2. And 2.5, it will be 2.5.
So you don't change anything in 2.5, is Ryan?
Yes, and we will put it down, and 1 over 2. What is? It is 2 over 5.
It is 0.5, you mean?
Yes.
So they are what?
Equal.
Thank you. That's all. Let us come here. Can you tell me here? Come, where are you? Go. Don't go. Can you give me the answer of this? The absolute. Can you read this first? Read it. Can you read it? Read it only. The absolute value of
46.
Of negative 46. Again.
The absolute value of negative 46.
Equal what?
46.
46, yes. Read it. Read it correctly.
7th.
Yes. The absolute value of
7.
700.
700.
Yes.
It will be
sorry. 7/10. I'm sorry. Again, the absolute value of
7/10.
Tenth is
7/10.
So thank you. 7/10. Yes. It is 7/10. So you don't change anything here. If it is positive, you keep it. Yes.
And it is if it is negative, we will
write the positive.
Yes.
Okay. Can you read this correctly?
Yes. Minus 2.
The absolute
value of negative 2 over 3.
Which equal what?
2 over 3.
MashaAllah, you are very smart. Last example. Can you read it correctly? This one.
Yes.
One. Yes, please.
The
absolute
value of negative 7.35. It will be 7.35.
It is easy, yes, Ryan?
Yes.
Say hi
Hi.
for my kids. Thank you for watching.